Apparently when my neighbors think of me, they think of old junk. They found this apparently when working on their pipes or something. Prince Albert crimp cut. And it's a little hard to read on the side, but it says for cigarette, pipe or cigarette. And R.J. Reynolds, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, does not bite the tongue. Patented July 30th, 1907. I'm glad. People think of me when they find old crap. Like, subscribe, share. Prince Albert in the can. Hurry up and let him out before he stops breathing, or whatever that old joke is. Have a good night. Goodbye.